don't always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to cover some leaks that we do have for the Supreme season, some sneaker leaks and rumors that we might be seeing this upcoming year as well. And the main course of this video is the fact that PayPal is now added to Supreme. I wonder what that's going to do for the actual website for actually buying pieces on there. Is it going to make it quicker or slower? I'm actually interested to see how that goes. But if you do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And bro, come on, let's get to 17,000 subscribers. I know by the end of this year we can hit 20k if we keep on grinding. So I'm hoping each and every one of you who is watching right now does hit that red button down below. It definitely means so much to me and I would highly appreciate it. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So there's actually a lot to talk about in this video. The main thing, like I said before, is the fact that PayPal is added to the Supreme website. So now you have the option to put PayPal or credit card, whatever. I hope that using PayPal does make it quicker to check out. If you do have it pre-saved, it would be like a 1-2 process, which would be amazing. I really hope that this kind of does eliminate certain different factors, which makes it hard for a regular person to buy Supreme on a Thursday. I know that Supreme is canceled this Thursday, but I want to know how it's gonna go this upcoming week. I'm low-key kind of excited because if I'm being honest, I use PayPal a whole lot. Whenever I'm sending money or buying anything, I do it through PayPal. So I want to see how they implement it and how it works exactly. I want to know your thoughts on this whole topic in the comments. If you would like me to make a dedicated video about this, let me know as well because I will go ahead and do it. But that's the first bit of news that I had for you guys. Now my predictions for week 2 are either the Yohji Yamamoto collab or this Nike pair of sneakers that's been rumored and they're everywhere at this point. Honestly, I wouldn't mind either one of these. I'm gonna talk about these Nikes first because I don't know if this is gonna be what it is, but these Nikes are actually pretty fire. I would definitely go for these in the black colorway simply because they're Air Maxes. I haven't had a pair of Air Maxes in a minute. Low-key, the only Air Maxes that I own at this point are the ones that I used to use to cut the grass. I'm not even gonna lie, I do love the silver bullets. I love these Air Maxes right here as well. If I could get my hands on these, I would definitely love to for retail. I don't know if I would pay resale for this pair, but the black colorway is definitely fire. I would love to have those just as an everyday sneaker. I feel like Air Maxes are really durable and these shits look kind of fire, bro. I feel like resale would be there as well for some of these in certain sizes. You know how that should go. These are definitely clean. I wonder if they're doing a collection for these right here because we did see some Nike apparel leak before the season even started, so that might be for this sneaker release. We don't know exactly what's going on, but I will keep you guys posted. But second, we do have the Yohji Yamamoto, which could also be dropping for week 2. I feel like that would be a fire collab as well. That is the owner of Y3 if I'm not mistaken, and he does drop some fire ass shit. I actually do own a pair of Y3s and it's these racers. They actually have his name on the front right here. It says Yohji Yamamoto, but these are actually kind of fire. I'm wondering what they would do as a collab. I know that a lot of people are actually upset that they're doing a collab with him because they want to keep his brand separate to Supreme, which I kind of understand, but at the end of the day, I'm always for bigger brands collaborating with different brands to see what they come up with. It's like two entities with their own different styles coming together. That's kind of why I love the CDG. I love the Stone Island. I feel like this Yohji Yamamoto collab could definitely be fire if they put some heavy thought into it, but this shit could either go so left or so right. I'm really excited to see what they come up with, what the ideas are, and hopefully we do get this upcoming week because that would actually be pretty fire. But those are the two main things that I feel like could release this upcoming week for Supreme. Another thing that we have been seeing surface is the fact that we are going to be seeing the Box Logo Hoodie come out as a tee as well this season, just like they did with the bandana logo. They would drop the hoodie the week before they drop the actual tees. I feel like the tees are not that bad. I would definitely love to get the sage colorway for the tees. We're gonna see them in the same exact colorways as the hoodie. Definitely the sage is fire. The navy and the black are my favorites. Like I said before, that gray is kind of atrocious. I don't like it, bro. I don't know what it is, just too loud for me to even go for it. But the other colorways are fire. there. Low-key, I wouldn't even mind having either or when it comes to this new design. Now we're gonna leave Supreme to the side a little bit and talk about some different things like this Stussy Nike collab that we should be seeing. They're gonna release these Air Force Ones right here, which are actually looking kind of fire. They're calling it the Fossil colorway, just like the Spiridon cages. This one is fire in my opinion. It has like this canvas material on the upper. The swoosh is like kind of split down the middle, which it kind of makes it look like it has two swooshes. I feel like these shits are fire. I would definitely try to go for these. You have like this design on the top of them, which looks like the double S logo. It's kind of like embroidered on there. If you really look closely, you can see it. It has the Stussy on the tongue as well. This shit just looks fire to me, and I definitely will be going for these right here. We have a bunch of dunks coming out. I'm not gonna cover every single pair. Low-key, I could do dunks releasing for this upcoming year video. That's how many are coming out. But we do have like this minty green. They're calling it the green glow. This is a women's exclusive dunk, but these shits are fire, bro. I definitely am a fan of these shits right here. I feel like these would be fire to have in the collection. I don't really have any green sneakers, and I wouldn't mind having this one. This is a women's exclusive, like I said before, which kind of is a bummer, but they're gonna release in 2021, and I do hope that we do have a shot at getting these, hopefully extended sizing or something like that, because I would love to get my hands on these. I am a fan of the pine green dunks that Off-White did. Those shits are so beautiful in my opinion, and I would really love to have those, but the prices are probably creeping up. That was low-key the best colorway on them as well. But we do got these Chicago dunk lows. These shits are fire, bro. These are probably gonna resell like tomorrow, and they're releasing later down this year. These are fire, bro. I love these. Obviously, it's like the Chicago Jordan 1s, but in the dunk version. I still am a fan, bro. Like, if I could get my hands on these, I definitely would. Low-key, there was a pair of Jordan 1 lows that released recently that had like that reverse bread color. I'm gonna try to go ahead and scoop those before the prices go up, because I know they will. These Chicago dunk lows are gonna resell for like 300 plus easy, bro. Like easy. These are doing numbers. These are gonna retail for like $100 if I'm not mistaken. And bro, try your luck, but that shit might go left. We do have this OVO Bape collaboration coming soon. I don't know when exactly, but there are some things that we did see on this magazine. There's a couple pieces like this OVO all over Bape print in this red colorway. There's a phone case, which is pretty clean. There's also this crew neck, which has the OVO on it. That's actually pretty hard. You got like a trucker hat. There's like a face mask, which is actually pretty cool. You got this actual Bape jacket, which is pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. You even have the Bape head tee with like the little OVO bird inside the Bape head. Pretty fire. I feel like this is actually a collab that might get me into buying Bape. I don't really have any Bape pieces. I had like one tee and I ended up selling it, but I low-key want to get into it if it's the right cause. Like if Drake does a collab with them, I might scoop a couple pieces and just see where I go from there. We have a couple more things to talk about, one of them being that Travis Scott is collaborating with McDonald's. As you can see back here, he collaborated with Reese's. He did his own bowl for cereal, a spoon, and then he has his face on a Reese's Puff box. Like, bro, what? He's collaborating with McDonald's. I don't know exactly what he's releasing. Whatever it is, it's gonna be fire. Imagine he comes out with his own chicken sandwich, bro. It's curtains. Like, come on, son. But at the end of the day, I do hope that it is fire, and whatever he does decide to release, I'm gonna check it out and just see what's up. If I like anything, I might end up buying something. Who knows? But that is a rumor that we might be seeing the McDonald's Travis Scott collab. We got two more things to talk about. One of them being these Sakai blazer lows. First, when I saw these pictures, I thought they were dookie because I saw the sneaker without them being on feet. But now that I see these on feet pictures, these shits are fire. They're just like the highs, but with a low cut. It's like they chopped the top off the highs. They still have the long tongue. They got the double laces. These shits are fire, bro. These green ones are doing it for me. They're releasing the green ones and then this all white with like an orange swoosh. I definitely would go for the green pair first because I feel like it just has more colors to it. It has more life in my opinion. I do like those a whole lot, and I feel like I would end up going for them whenever they release. They're saying that they're gonna release in 2021 for like $120, which isn't that bad at the end of the day. There are rumors that the Cactus Plant Flea Market Air Force Ones are gonna restock restock. Hey, if they do restock, I'm gonna definitely try to get my hands on these. These did release a little while ago and I wasn't able to cook up on them. Unfortunately, I need them shits. They just look so clean. I feel like when I saw A$AP Rocky wear these, I immediately knew that I really wanted these. The fact that they're restocking, they're doing me justice right now. Like, I really want to get these, hopefully in the white colorway. I haven't dipped my foot into the black Air Force Ones yet. There's also rumors that we're gonna get these off-white blazer lows in this black colorway, but he added like the fly wire in this neon green all around it. That shit is fire to me. I definitely am a fan of those, I'm not gonna lie. And then we also saw the Dunk lows that Off-White did, but in this white colorway. These shits are so clean. These remind me of like the MoMAs and the first Off-White Air Force Ones that he did with like the little foil on the side. These are fire. I know resale would be bananas on this pair, but I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, slap a fat like on this one down below. Let me know what was your favorite piece that I covered in this video. Also, smash the like button if you enjoyed and would like more of this type of content. In the comments, let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the future. As you guys can see, I have been posting more consistently, and that's exactly what I'm gonna try to keep doing. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more content like this. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want